Yeah, I do. J. Evans 01 2003.
What? Okay.
J. Evans 01 2003.
I want
nothing to see in there. What's
Have
yours?
you guys been drinking?
Funny what? Funny Brendan?
Funny Brent.
Funny Brent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss Mary Mac.
Hey, we just got it down too.
Miss Mary Mac, Mac, all dressed in black, black with silver buttons, buttons all down her back.
Wait.
Asked her mother,
You're doing it wrong.
I don't know what. And then say goodbye to him. I don't know what kind of
Elephant.
No, I'm putting this on YouTube.
I remember that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
One, two,
That's my
together.
realtor.
One,
All
two.
right.
Look at that teamwork. Very nice. Good job, ladies.
She grabbed her bag
Oh, good.
and her backpack and her eating these things.
Good. Here we are stopping at the First North Carolina rest area. There's our new flag on the sign there. We're in North Carolina. Woohoo! We got Annie Banana here. Hey, Annie Banana. Got shift. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, sweetie. It looks the same as it did last time.
Is there that ugly painted over one?
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, and this door got painted.
No. No. It's the same. Yay! Yay! Where's Connor?
I have my own room now.
If mommy looks at me, then I just go eat my ice cream.
Not to look back like this.
Oh my goodness, you're eating mommy's ice cream.
I got a couch in my room.
It is in your room?
It's already there?
Going to be.
Oh, it's going to be in your room. Okay.
That means we have to move your, we have to move some things off that wall.